Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video, this is just an introductory video about what SQL is. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It provides a means to access and manipulate data in meaningful ways and provide business insights so that we can take better decisions in as the business move forward, right? So let us see why it is marketable. Why is everyone talking about SQL? So, in today's world, we are surrounded by data. Businesses are gathering data at an exponential rate, and there is even and because of all this data, there is need of human resource who can actually manage and know how to analyze this data, right? So this is where SQL comes in and helps in managing and analyzing the data that is available to us. Also, one of the surveys conducted by one of the most popular websites for IT professionals is which is Stack Overflow, and this survey conducted by Stack Overflow uh, got us to know that SQL is the fifth most in-demand technology that people need, right? So in recent years, data is everywhere, and yet very few people know how to access it meaningfully, which has put SQL talent in high demand. In fact, SQL, if you know SQL, it can even land you job roles which goes up to six figures. So yeah, it's a very important high demand skill set to have, and this will definitely help you in your growth as an IT professional, right? So next, who is SQL for? So one of the biggest misinterpretation about SQL is that it is an IT skill. Of course it is, but it can also be used by business people for analytical, managerial, and research purposes for that matter. On the IT front, it can lead to roles in database design, database administration, system engineering, etc. So, and even for people who are not from an IT background, I assure you that this course that I'm going to put up in YouTube will guide you in the simplest ways possible, and it will help you understand how this language works. Okay, so do not be afraid if you're not an engineer or if you come from an arts or a commerce background, right? So I think that is it for this video. I hope you like it. This was just an introductory video about SQL. We will get into the nitty-gritties of this language using the different softwares available to us, and yeah, we'll start. We'll know. I mean, we'll learn how to create a database, then create a table, how to write queries, how to, get CSV files imported to the system, and all sort of things. So I hope this video gets you excited about this language that we're going to learn, and let me remind you again, this is one of the most in-demand skills today, and if you are someone who is aspiring to become a data analyst, SQL is definitely a it's one of the most important skills to have, especially for a beginner, right? So with in that note, I'd like to end this video. I hope to see you in the next video very soon. Thank you.